Did you know that one of the biggest mistakes that people make when cooking Indian food is not cooking their basic onion, ginger, garlic, even the spices, not cooking them enough? That is really super critical whenever making an Indian dish, especially a curry. Remember, curry has nothing to do with a spice blend, it has everything to do with gravy. It's our basic gravy. And this basic masala that I'm cooking in my Instant Pot, I'm testing my Punjabi masala, my gilla masala, which is a wet combination of the basic ingredients in most North Indian dishes: onion, ginger, garlic, turmeric, oil, and one or two other small ingredients. That's your base. But if I don't cook this enough, what happens is it tastes raw. And that is what I find amongst the food of my friends and even celebrity chefs that have invited me over that don't know how to cook Indian food. It doesn't matter if you put the word, quote, celebrity in front of your name and title. It doesn't matter if you don't know how to manipulate the basic ingredients and respect the cuisine and really understand it. Because at the end of the day, to make a decent, delicious Indian balanced dish, you gotta cook all of the ingredients through. And so these onions, which have been ground down in the food processor, are going to cook 10 to 15 minutes to really make sure we take that edge off so it doesn't taste wrong when you're eating it. Then we'll add the ginger garlic, which in itself has to cook as well.